Good day, AP Biology students. Welcome to video lecture episode 16. Today we're going to continue our discussion in chapter 41, that being animal nutrition. Now let's go to slide 34, dietary deficiencies. There's two words that I want you to understand here, and that's undernourished, which is diet is deficient in calories, not enough energy, and malnourishment, which is missing one or more essential nutrients. And you see there an example of an herbivore, which is lacking salt and minerals, which the plant is lacking because it's what they need. All right. Now let's go to slide 35 and let's talk about the main stages of food processing. The first one is ingestion, the second one is digestion, the third one is absorption, and the fourth one is elimination. So let me just briefly mention what those are. Ingestion is eating, digestion is the breakdown of food into smaller molecules, and that can be either mechanical, which involves chewing and grinding, or chemical, which involves enzymes. Absorption is where cells take up nutrients, and elimination is the passing of undigested materials from the digestive system. If you look at slide 36, you can see an example of how this exactly works, and is summarized with the bunny there consuming the food that it is eating. Slide 37 just shows some examples of feeding as well, different types of feeding. And then we're going to conclude today with digestive compartments on slide 38. Most animals process food in specialized compartments. Intracellular, where digestion of food occurs inside cells by food vacuoles, which includes phagocytosis, pinocytosis in sponges. And then there's extracellular, where the food is actually broken down outside of the cells, and that would be in the gastrovascular cavity in a simple system, or the alimentary canal, which is complex, which is like what we have. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're going to stop our discussion. If there's any questions that you have, you can leave those in the comments below. You can send me an email, and I do hope this has been helpful. Have a nice day. Take care.